Hey there. I am looking at things to help with EMFs and dirty electricity. Um, I have my little EMF meter. Can you see how this is going red as I'm bringing it to the monitor? This is an EMF meter. It's called a trimeter. You can get it on Amazon. I don't know if I have a link. I'm not all that up on things. So I will look for a link and post it down below because I do think that this is helpful to get a sense of, what kind of EMFs you're being exposed to. So you can see this is in the red zone here because I'm sitting in front of computer, monitor. When I put this up to the monitor, I have a larger monitor over there. It just went haywire. Gosh, trying to get it to a point where it's not red. So here it's orange. It's in the yellow zone. And then if I put my cell phone next to it, interesting. It goes to green. Sometimes it's like flashing between green and yellow. So, we have these devices with us all the time, our computers. What I found in my house was the worst offender was just a standard telephone, just a regular cordless phone. So you see here. Actually, let me take this phone away. I mean, it's just red. It's just red. I'm being bathed in EMFs. So what can I do about it? That's what this video is about. This video is about these personal protective devices. Do they work? I don't know. So on my phone, actually, you'll see I have some of these stickers that I bought before. I do not think they had any effect. This to me is superstition. But I keep them in there because I don't think they're going to hurt. But LifeTune sent me a couple of things to check out. Ooh. So that is going to be backwards. Fun. So I'm just going to open this up. This is for personal use. And then they also have one for devices. So these are straight out of the box. Oh, it's pretty. I really like that. It's very pretty. Look at that. Well, I will say the design is very elegant, very pretty. Let me take this out. This comes with a pouch, so you can, I guess, carry it with you. So we'll see what this all entails. We have this pouch. Looks like it's made from leather. Oh, so I guess you must wear it. You must put it in the pouch and then wear it. I'm thinking. This is my idea. So let me read the instructions. What do the instructions say? Carefully remove it. Place it in your pocket, your bag, or wear it on your person using the provided pouch. Usage. LifeTune Personal EMR modulation technology is designed for your personal protection from the harmful effects of electromagnetic radiation emitted by nearby electronic devices and electromagnetic smog. So we can have dirty electricity that's coming from our outlets, coming from our devices. There are also outlet adjusters that you can get. And in fact, I'm probably going to order some. Alternatively, so if you don't want to wear this, this is a very interesting piece of jewelry. It says, alternatively, you can place it on a table, desk, or on your nightstand while you sleep, as long as it is within the effective area of 50 square feet. This is fragile. Handle with care. Do not bend, drop, or apply excessive force. So, interesting. So I'm going to pop this in here. I have been feeling, I'll admit, a little weird the last few weeks, like a weird energy sensation. I don't know if that's because of weird stuff going on in our our planet, our country right now, or what. So I'm going to wear this, see if it does anything to help me. But I'm also going to see if anything changes with this meter. This is kind of not very scientific, but I'll do my best. So that's the personal device. I'm just going to wear it. I'm going to see how I feel. What I have noticed as a practitioner who deals with a lot of people who have environmental illness, chronic illnesses, unexplained illnesses, is that there are some people who are very sensitive to electromagnetic fields. I think part of that may have to do with their nutrient status and how well their cells are functioning, how well their ions, we have calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, all these different charged nutrients in our body that's natural. And so they will respond to an electric charge. So I think people who might have nutrient imbalances or dysfunction in their cellular metabolism may be more sensitive to electromagnetic stress. But even before we had all these electronics in our world, we still had electromagnetic fields in our world, and some of them are good, and some of them can make us feel not so good, and some people can feel extremely ill, not able to be in buildings, etc. So it is something to look at. There are some wonderful resources out there for people who are interested in learning more about electromagnetic fields and what we can do to protect our health. Nature is healing, so the more we can put these devices down and get into nature, I think the better. All right, I am now opening this other box, which is LifeTune device. I have a feeling it's going to be more pretty things that I might need to put on my phone. So let's see. Opening it up here. Ooh, this is cute. So once again, we have another disc. Can you see that? That's pretty. And so I think you put this on your device. So let me find out. Let me look at the instructions here. Yeah, it says remove the card, carefully peel it. So it's a little sticker. Apply and stick it directly onto the flat surface of any electronic device. I don't know. I'm very curious. So, the thing about cell phones is it'll constantly change. And, this is really not scientific because I have all of these electronics near me. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to take this to a place where there's no other electronics. I'm going to measure it, and I'm going to put that sticker on, and then I'll see if it changes anything. And then I'm going to wear this for a little while and see if I feel any different. That's what's going on today in my voyage to get healthy and help other people get healthy. All right. Bye.